There's a company that has made the seemingly impossible become reality. Starting from a small country to USA, Canada, Japan, Southeast Asia, and now South America. A global company with 4 million active members across 11 countries, growing beyond its home market and quickly gaining notice across the world. A company that received the $50 million Export Award in 2017. With extraordinary growth since its foundation in 2009, global sales reached about $1 billion in 2017 and continues to show steady growth. Going beyond customer satisfaction, fulfilling customer success. We are Atomy. Beginning with health and beauty products, Atomy's various products include food, living, fashion, and home products. Figures released by the Korea Fair Trade Commission show that Hemohim was top in the industry in sales volume for 3 straight years. While the Skincare 6 system was the best-selling cosmetic product. The new Absolute Skincare set released in 2017 was chosen by many consumers and is becoming a revolutionary skincare product. These figures indicate how much Atomy products are satisfying consumers around the world. However, Atomy's true value lies in the company's inner side. Atomy uses its prestige strategy, providing benefits to consumers with absolute quality at absolute prices, while also increasing quality of life for our members. Atomy's global hub strategy, called GSGS, goes across borders to benefit the world by allowing people around the world to access these absolute products. Through the GSGS strategy, consumers around the world will be able to go beyond borders and be able to purchase global prestige products through Atomy. The company runs and supports its own seminars, which allows the success of any member, regardless of which line or sponsor the member is under. Super synergy of united heart instead of competition between leaders. Atomy was able to complete a system that promotes success through unity and coalition. Atomy's values are based on the saying, honesty and goodness is the best policy. These values lead to 3 cultures of Atomy. First, principle-centered culture. Atomy emphasizes following the principles of network marketing and staying true to the pledges between company and customers. Second, culture of accompanied growth. Atomy supports cooperative companies so they can do their best to maintain the best quality, so customers can get top quality products at affordable prices, creating a culture that benefits the growth of all parties involved. Third, culture of sharing. The company is a part of a society, and Atomy is pushing to become a role model in creating a better society by promoting the culture of sharing and communication between company and society. To live, to love, to learn, and to share. We hope Atomy can become the life partner that leads to your success. Cherishing the spirit. We are proud Atomy.